Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery for the Range. So I had this battery for almost 2 years and it stopped working, so I'm gonna show you how to replace it. So first thing first, you guys want to make sure to get a battery which is look like that, and the battery number is CR2032, and it's very easy. But I'm gonna walk you through and show you quick how you guys can replace the battery for that Range vehicle. So let's do this and walk you through how I did it. The second question you guys may have, how to know when you need to replace the battery. I think it's very simple. When you when you push the button and if it doesn't lock, that means your battery need to be replaced. If you push the unlock and if it doesn't unlock, then it's also the time to need to be replace the battery. So that's the obvious sign. The second way to know, again, right now the vehicle is open, you guys see the mirror, but if I click the button, it doesn't lock, which is, again, that's one way to lock your vehicle. And also if I push this button on and up, then that's how you know that it's the time to change the battery. To open the battery, all you need to do is just slide this little bit upward like so, and then carefully take it out. This is also the key for emergency use. If your battery stopped working, you could use an unlock and lock the doors with it. So that's the spare keys that come within the keys. So when you do that, you take this out, and right here, that little hole, you slide in the keys like so, and then twist it. And when you twist it, it will unlock, and then you just carefully take it out like so. So this is it. And also when you do guys take it out, make sure it stay in those two pins in place. So that's the old battery and that's the new one. So to take it out, it's very simple. Okay, take that out and the new one is ready. Slide in that back like so, and you're all good to go. And then what you do to put it back, you have that little hook, the two hooks. You want to make sure, I'm going to show you that in a second, that is placed like that, and then gently just hold it, and now it's locked or in place. Slide in the keys back in the same spot like so. Make sure it's all the way in, and then put that back. Okay, so when you put it in, slide it in, and you are all set at this stage. The battery cost $6R, which is around like $2. And again, you want to look at your battery number before you take it out. And this battery, I think they come standard with a Range Rover. So that's the number. The 3V is not the number. The CR2032, that's the actual number for the battery. So you get the battery first, and then, that way you're all set. But also you could use the other spare key in an emergency situation. So once you replace the battery, let's do the test. So right now the vehicle is locked, and again, once you push the button, it's unlock the vehicle, and I'm gonna do lock back again, and that's lock the vehicle. So if you saw earlier, it didn't work with unlock and lock, and after replacing the battery, now it's all working. And at the same time, now the door knob will work also. Anywho guys, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.